Hi everyone, my name is Marcus and I make Twitch tutorial videos to help streamers grow faster. Today is 12 March 2026 and in this video I will show you how to get free Twitch viewers step by step. If you are a small streamer on Twitch or Kick, you already know how difficult it is to grow. Getting viewers is one of the biggest challenges when you start streaming. I personally wanted to reach Twitch partner and Kick partner, but growing naturally can take a lot of time. So I decided to try a tool called Followers Panda Free Twitch Viewers, and honestly it helped boost my stream visibility. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too. Followers Panda is one of the oldest and most reputable social media service platforms for streamers. It's a trusted website that provides services designed to improve your live streams on Twitch and Kick. The platform helps streamers increase their viewer count, followers, and engagement, which can make your channel look more active and attract real viewers. Now let me show you how to get free Twitch viewers step by step. First, go to the Followers Panda website. Once you are on the home page, open the menu and click on Free Twitch Viewers. After clicking that, you will be redirected to the checkout page. Here you need to enter your Twitch username and your email address. Once you fill in the details, click Proceed to Checkout. Now, a verification code will be sent to your email. Open your email inbox, copy the verification code, and return to the website. Paste the code on the verification page, then create a password for your account. After that, click Proceed to Checkout again. And as you can see here, the Twitch viewers will start appearing on your stream. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.